Good afternoon, my name is Koos de Villiers from Talisman High Strand, and today we want to discuss why we need to maintain our vehicles and why do we need to wash our vehicles. The basic disciplines of keeping a vehicle clean is your paintwork gets brittle from the sun and you need to protect your paintwork. Now what we use in our cleaning influence, we use the interior white, which we use for, it's a silicone which we apply on our wheels and tires or on the dash, on the rim arches if it has. And then we've got a dashboard shine which we apply on the dashboard, so if the dashboard does dry out from the sun, it would not go cracking. So this is to prolong the vehicle's dashboard, and this is to keep your exterior of your vehicle, your black, more shiny. The stuff that we use from the washing side, we use a wash and wax, which is a wax which we wash the vehicles with. Now the simple principle about washing a vehicle, and the biggest fault people do is when they wash a vehicle, they use a HP washer to spray a vehicle clean. Now HP washer, the biggest error about an HP washer, it removes all the wax from the vehicle and it will remove your stickering. What we use in our industry, we use only a flat nozzle. If I have to apply this for you, if you can switch it on, we would only use a flat nozzle, as you can see, never a rotary nozzle cleaning. So this is a flat nozzle cleaning, as you can see, and this would only be used to clean the bottom ends of the vehicle or the cab area of the vehicle. Never for the vehicle itself, because it would destroy the paintwork thereof. For the vehicle itself, you would apply normal hose, if you can just open that one, and spray the excessive dirt off the vehicle. And the purpose of that is just to get the surface dirt off the vehicle. Once the surface dust has been removed and the vehicle has been hosed totality, if you can close there for you, you would then use a pre-mixture of the wash and wax, which is a small little cup full of that on a 10-liter bucket, and you would go with a soft cloth and you would wash your vehicle. And you would see the foamy part that you've got on the vehicle is there to actually to fill the paint, and you would wash the dirt off. If you can continue with that, and you would wash the vehicle normally with the normal rub, and once completed, if you finish the wash and wax, we will just do that portion. The purpose is just to spray, sorry Vuyu, I can just get with the running water, not with the HP washer, just to hose the wash and wax off the vehicle. The purpose for that is for the wax to actually remain on the paint. If you use a high pressure washer to clean it afterwards, you spray all the wax off the paint again. Now please people, when you do clean a vehicle, not use a HP washer for cleaning it, and I will now show you typically what the damage thereof is if you do use a HP washer on the stickers.